if you've been taking a look at the headlines recently, you may notice that banks have been front page news. So on today's More Than Banking, we have Todd Christensen from CapEd Credit Union to tell us about CapEd and what they're doing to combat insecurity. We love when you join us. Todd, how are you doing today?
Doing great. Great to be here as always, Lauren. Thank you.
Yes, you are a wealth of knowledge. See what I did there? Wealth.
Ooh, that's well played.
Knowledge.
Well played. See, that's why you are the host. We come in with great information, but you help lead the conversation.
Yeah, always have great information. We really appreciate when you join us. So I have a lot of questions today. So with the failure of the Silicon Valley Bank, is CapEd members, are they okay? Are customers' deposits secure?
The simple answer and the assuring answer is yes. Those deposits that our members and members have or other customers have in local, regional, community banks or credit unions are definitely very secure.
Okay, well that's good,
yes.
right? We definitely love the word secure.
Secure and safe.
Yes, absolutely. So how is it possible to have more than $250,000 insured?
You know, we hear a lot lately around that $250,000 level. We as a nationally insured credit union, and that's done through the National Credit Union Association and its insurance fund, which is very similar, if not almost identical to the FDIC, which provides that insurance level of up to $250,000. That can be on per account. So if you are married, you can have your joint account, your single account, retirement account, and right there could be $1 million. Oh, wow. So individuals can structure their accounts to be able to have insurance beyond the $250,000.
Okay. Now we want to earn more on our money, right? And with rates that have changed so much in the past 7 to 8 months, like what is CapEd doing to help individuals earn more?
In this case, we're continuing to work to have very great or low rates on the borrowing side. But as we've seen the Fed make changes to help combat inflation, rates have increased for the borrowing side, but we're also increasing that on the savings sides because that I often like to say that that's a teeter-totter.
Yeah.
It is borrowing rates go up, then the saving rates also go up.
Okay, so that's good. It balances.
It balances out, yes.
Yeah, which is great. So we talk about great rates. So is there a catch? Like what exactly does that mean when you say great rate?
For us, for a great rate is inside of our high yield checking account, a transaction deposit account, and that right now is earning 5.25% on balances up to $10,000. We have not seen that type of savings or checking rate for probably nearly 15, if not 20 years that if individuals have enjoyed that type of higher rate on earnings on their savings or checking account in this case.
Okay, so is there anything else that you would say is more than banking on the account, right? We talk more than banking, like what else other than the banking side? What else can we find?
In addition to being able to receive that great rate inside of a free checking account, when you join CapEd, open up a high yield checking account, meet its base qualifications, 12 debit card swipes in a month, have an ACH or...
12 debit card? Okay, that's easy for me. Unfortunately, that's too easy for me.
We often see that same response of 12, really? That's all that you require?
And you're not talking physical swipes, you're saying any transaction, so online buying?
Yep.
Okay,
online buying using a little bit of that. So it's pretty simple, some base requirements or qualifications, 12 purchases, have an ACH in or out, whether that's payroll or utility bill going out, and then sign up for what we deem as much more secure than paper statements is e-statements or electronic statements. Okay. And then once you do that, and you have an opportunity to get $100. It's in our side of our program called Get 100, Give 100. Once you meet those qualifications, you get $100 deposited into your new account, and then at account open, you get to choose the school district, and program where you want to give $100. And that's where more than banking, it's making a difference. And in this case, making a difference in supporting our education community.
And that's important.
Yes.
That's so important. So where can people go to learn more and sign up for a high yield checking account?
We invite everybody. We often say that you don't have to be an educator to join CapEd because we are supporting education by using us as your finance institution. Okay. So come into one of our branch locations, whether it's here in the Treasure Valley or Magic Valley, and then you always can visit us at our website, which is CapEd, CU4creditunion.com.
Okay, and you can see that right there on your screen too. So CapEdCU.com. Thank you so much for joining us with More Than Banking. CapEd, we love you. We love you, Todd. Thank you.
We appreciate it. We appreciate the opportunity to share the great rate in a way that people can make a difference in their own financial life, as well as in supporting our education community.
A lot of good information. We appreciate that. And we will be back, more Idaho Today, right after the break.